So I'm going to teach you today about coping and coping with your inadequacies as a human being. Understand that the very first sin happened in heaven, not on earth. It happened with an angel and not a human. This story, at the very least, can be used to understand that it is not your environment that makes you wrong. It is actually your internal nature, separate from everything. And coming to terms with this is the beginning of being able to handle it. If you are a drinker, you need to first know that you are a drinker in order to be able to control it or free yourself, or literally live with it. But the very first thing that you need to confirm is that you are a drinker, or at least the thing that you need to accept. It's about acceptance, and then also it's about talking. Understand that humans are not equipped to just live life alone. It's the reason why there are therapists, the reason why there are doctors, the reason that there are always another counterpart person who can help you get to the completion of whatever area it is that you are trying to complete. Every bodybuilder has a trainer, every sprinter has a trainer, every husband has a wife, I can't think of too many examples off the top of my head right now, I don't know why, but you know what I'm talking about. There is a second terminal to every initial terminal within any interaction in order to make it complete. There is a plus and a minus to a battery, right? And that's what makes it have energy, the plus and the minus. Now, the reason why I'm pointing this out is you need to be able to talk about the ways in which you are wrong to a relevant person, a relevant terminal. Could be the person that you wronged. It could be someone who can help you to climb out of the situation. It could be one of these two people. But the idea is it's about learning to talk about your flaws. It's about learning to let another person know that you're in trouble. But then initially it's about letting yourself know that you are in trouble. This is difficult for humanity because we are trained to hide our flaws. However, in order to be truly free, it's more about confronting than it is about